Hey everyone, Raziul Office again. 20 Noreen Drive in Scarborough, Eglinton and Pharmacy Square intersection is the location, one of the best location of its own. By the way, today I will do the virtual open house. So this is outside of the property. You can see outside the neighborhood is very nice, very calm and quite family friendly neighborhood. Even no side work, you can see no side work, so there's any additional some features are there. So it's a 40 by 123 lot. You can see the wideness of the lot, and it's a private backyard fence. We will walk through that one also. So let's go through. This is a bungalow again with a separate entrance and an in-law suite. We'll just slowly go everything. So let's get inside. Or yeah, this is a bit older house, but yeah, that's quite nice, I would say. So yeah, this requires to remove the shoes. So this is the living cum dining room. We have a wood burning fireplace here. So that's another beauty of this house. And we have a home office also here available. So it can be converted to, den or a bedroom. You can make your innovation over here. It's a kitchen, very well maintained, old but well maintained. There's an area to improve if you want. There's the linen, I would say. There's the washroom, 4 by 1 by 4. So you can see that all the way it's hardwood floor. You can see the kitchen is laminate. That's the master bedroom. We have 2 closets, his and hers. We can see that. And then it's a fairly nice height also for an older house. So there's the second bedroom. Yep, we have a backyard. We can look slowly on the backyard, how it looks like. The outside you can see very wide and spacious. Yeah, some cleaning is required. So let's go to the basement. We have a separate entrance here. So in-law, tenant, whoever can come through this. You have a door over there, and you can have your privacy for the main floor. It's a very big basement, I would say. The living room also has a gas fireplace, and the master bedroom, basically it's a very big. They put a partition, but you can make 2 bedroom very easily. Let's go inside here. And also you see the above grade windows, also very good for rental income or in-law suite. It's not really give a basement things. It looks like an apartment. You can see the window. There is also washroom, 1 by 3 washroom here. And also we have a kitchen over there. Yeah, we have a range hood, everything. It's ready to go. You can buy it and then put it rent, get your mortgage paid off, and then you leave. So guys, that's it for now. I would say this is a very unique opportunity to buy a detached house in Scarborough, one of the gold mine, 40 by 123 lot. And I will now slowly go to the backside of the property just to show you the backside. So I'm going to the backside of the property just to walk around. So let's see. The depth of the lot is 120 feet. So we can see also above grade windows. We can see separate side entrance that's towards to the basement. So in-law, renter, whoever can go there directly. We can see the above grade windows from here also. Lot of potentials. and you can see the no big tree. The biggest dream, you know, this is the investor or builder's dream. No big tree, no extra money you have to spend to get rid of the trees and all those things. Just get rid of all the garbages, and it's unique. 40 by 123 feet lot, and also bungalows. You can have 2 units and whatnot. So use your potentials and all those things. And here is the AC and all those things. Yeah, guys. So that's it for now for my virtual open house for this house. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you think you like it or you want to know more information about this, please call me at 647-470-0657. Or if you think you know someone who might be interested on this product or similar products, I have more products coming in which are already I am like working to put in the market. So guys, call me, reach me out, 647-470-0657 for a lot of other potential properties. And if you think that someone might be interested, please share this video or click like so that people can view the videos. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Stay safe.